Hi friends, Ernie here today to talk to you about budgeting with kids. What I want to do is walk through two different methods that you can use. So I have three boys, Charlie, Manny, and Simeon. And with this first method, I've included each of their savings accounts over on the left-hand side. And then I've also added a category for each of them in our budget. So then anytime they receive money, I simply record that in their account as inflow to be budgeted, and then I go ahead and budget that amount to their category. So then when they want to buy something, they can come to me or my wife, ask us how much money they have, and we go from there. With the second method, and this is the method that my wife and I actually use because it's a lot simpler, we don't include their accounts in the budget. Instead, we've just moved all of their money from their individual savings accounts to our own checking account. That way we don't have to be transferring between accounts when there's purchases or when there's deposits. Everything is in our checking, and then we just run everything through their individual categories in the budget. So two options there for you. Hopefully one of those works for your situation. Good luck and happy budgeting.